Hi there, Melody Moore here with what you need to know around adding custom code to your site. So let's walk through this scenario. You have a beautiful WordPress site and you think, oh man, there's this really wonderful thing that I want to add to my site. Maybe let's say that you have articles on your site and you want to add like a little like button, but all the pre-done plugins out there that have this like button, they're not quite what you want. So you're like, I'm going to hire a programmer and I'm going to have them customize this like button. Or maybe you're already working with an agency and you're like, hey, can you customize this thing? And they're like, yeah, of course, we can do that. They may or may not tell you that we need to add custom programming to the site in order to do this. Now, that's on the plugin level. The other type of customization is using something called CSS, where you can't do it through the builder, so a program will go in there and customize how something is displayed through custom programming. Now, the fundamental thing between both of these is that there's no way for you out of the box to be able to do what you want to do. Now, a caveat to this is there are instances where you really want to be able to use this superpower of use code to be able to make the thing do what you want it to do. I generally find that it's way overused and we don't understand, or the provider that is providing the service isn't necessarily educating to say, hey, by adding this custom code thing here, you are adding complexity to your setup. Adding complexity means that when something goes wrong, you have to go to 5 or 6 different places to understand why that thing went wrong. That means your customer waits longer for a solution. Your internal people are spending their time trying to troubleshoot something. And overall, you're spending more time putting out fires than you are growing your business and adding more value to your clients. Custom code should be used in moderation. I see far, far too many businesses relying on custom code because just because you can do something does not mean that you should do that thing. Finding a service provider or a developer that will push back on your decisions and say, hey, is there another way we can do this? Is there a cleaner way? Is there a simpler way? Do you really need these things? And to push back on that so that you make good technology decisions in order for your business to run smoother, to have less customer service issues, to be able to troubleshoot issues efficiently and to get them solved easily so that you can focus on the things that are really going to add value to both your customers and then also to the overall business. A little bit of a brief what you need to know on custom coding, because it is a frustration of mine of how many sites we go into and it's like, why did you add this custom code? And like, I don't know, a developer added it on there, but really thinking through, think of it like custom code diet. If you're wondering, are we overusing custom code? Is there a better way? Feel free to get in touch with us. hello@businesstechninjas.com. We love untangling messes, smoothing them out, and making your business beautiful.